Want to become a smart Python programmer in just 10 minutes? These 10 beginner-friendly Python tricks will save you time, simplify your code, and boost your confidence. Hey everyone, I am Vivek and welcome to Room 2, your 10-minute power-up zone at Escape Room Coding. Today we are diving into 10 Python tricks that every beginner should know. Let's begin. You don't need a third variable to swipe two values. Python lets you do it in one line. Here is an example. I'm creating two variables here, a and b, and assigning some values. And to swipe the values, I'm going to write a comma b equals to b comma a and print the output. Want to build a list in a single line? Python's list comprehension is clean and fast. Here is an example. Tired of tracking index manually? Use Enumerate to loop with index and value. This is how we use Enumerate function. Here is an example. I'm going to create a list of fruits and loop through each item using Enumerate function. F strings make your print statement clean and readable. Here is an example. Loop through multiple lists at once using zip function. In this example, I have created two lists and I'm going to loop through both the lists using the zip function and display the results. Function can return more than one values, clean and powerful. In this example, I have created a function that is going to return two values, minimum and maximum. Calling the function here and passing a list of numbers. And the function is going to return maximum and minimum values from this list. Need to check a condition across a list. These two are life saviors. This is how we use any function. Here is an example. Any function and all function are going to return true or false in the output. It will return true if any number is less than 0 in nums list. Need a quick condition? Use Python's ternary operator. Here is an example of ternary operator. Want only unique values in a list? Use a set to remove duplicates. In this example, I've created a list of duplicate values, and I'm going to remove the duplicate values using set and converting the final output into a list. When you don't need the loop variable, just use underscore to show it. You just unlocked 10 awesome tricks in Python. These are the kind of things that make your code cleaner, more efficient, and beginner friendly. Which trick was new for you? Drop the number in the comments, and I'll explain it in future shorts or even turn it into a full project. This was the first episode from Room 2, a playlist where I'll share 10-minute tips, tricks, and project ideas to level up your skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Room 2 Unlocked if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.